Page 60, Eine Kleine Mozart. They give a little paragraph up there about Mozart. He was another famous and influential composer that affected music and its evolution, because music has evolved over the years. Yeah, you can Google Mozart and read all about it. The sight reading thing they give up there, again, you can do that. Remember, that's not one thing you play all the way through. You're playing three separate things. You play the first one, and then you move your hand where you need to and play the second and the third. Yeah. However, this Mozart thing, let's look at it. I see it's one line long with a repeat. We're going to play it twice. Treble and bass clef signs. 4/4 time signature. I see a bunch of dotted half notes and quarter notes and whole notes. So we better talk about that dotted half note, quarter note thing. We've had that before. The hands are playing one at a time, so let's take them together. The right hand starts thumb here, puts the hand here. You don't need any other finger numbers for the right hand, because we're just right here. The left hand is fourth finger here, so we're in middle C position here. And it's 1, 2, 3. Remember, dotted half notes the same as 3 quarter notes, or it gets 3 counts in 4/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4 means the G has to come on beat 4, or something has to come on beat 4. Then it happens to be a G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's basically it. Don't make these dotted rhythms complicated. They're not. Just remember it's the same as 3 of whatever the next note down is here. So a dotted half note is the same as 3 quarter notes. For counting, it is. Yeah. So once I have the notes and the rhythms, then I go back over it slowly and carefully and get rid of the hesitations. And once I can do that, then I add the dynamics. And the only one they give you is forte, is loud. Whatever you think loud is. Stay relaxed. Let the wrist collapse a little bit on these. You're just playing heavy. And again, the speed is lively again. Gotta love these livelies. Well, it's up to you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Don't copy me. You play it at your speed. You don't have to go that fast. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel those two. Once you can play this at least slowly with no hesitations, let's play it together to check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts, and we will repeat it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. I like to play the duet at the bottom of the page, and you play what you just played. We're going to speed it up quite a bit. I need you to go up an octave again. So just pretend the middle C instead of here is up here. So instead of here, you're up here. Right up here. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.